Advanced beginner tap dance warm-up, that's what we're gonna do. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Let's jump in. Let's start with toes. You got it. Woo! Oh yeah. Now heels, same pattern. Heels to heel. Now you have toe, heel, heel. Faster. Woo! Now step heel. Move around. Big toe. Move around. Now mix them. Big toe, step, heel, big toe. Faster now. To the left. Good. Now you have dig, step, step, dig, step, 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 step. And faster, go. Now you have plump, step, step, plump, step, step, stamp, stamp, plump, step, step, plump, step, step, and faster now. Left side, go. Oh yeah. And now you have toe hop step, toe hop step, toe hop step, step, toe hop step. Keep it going. Woo, one more. Now you have stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step, stamp, stamp, spank, step, spank, step. Faster if you can. Woo, that's quick. All right, beautiful. That's our warm-up. Now I want to jump into a little bit of technique for a double cramp roll, also known as flap cramp roll. That should sound like this. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 5 and a 6, a 7 and a 8. However, there's some common problems I see tap dancers do that kind of messes up that rhythm, and you don't want to make those same mistakes. So I'm going to cover how to notice when you're making that mistake and what to do to fix it in this video right here. Go ahead and click on it.